My name's Kathy Gardner, and today's our big day. As you can see, they are draining our original hot tub. We bought it from the Waterworks in 1993, and it's time for the second tub. So good maintenance has gotten us this far, but it's time. Boy, it's going to be kind of strange. Off it goes. The crane just showed up. You can tell Waterworks knows what they're doing. It's going very well. And you know, it's even though we've had this tub since 1993, good maintenance with the Waterworks has gotten us this far. It's just time for another tub and newer, modern controls. So we're quite excited and really looking forward to the arrival. We're just now getting ready to remove the old tub from the deck. So the crane is positioning itself and shouldn't be too much longer. Many years ago, the first big gift I gave my husband was a hot tub, so this brings it full circle. It was over 30 years ago that he got the first hot tub. They make it look easy.
Set them up.
Very.